Hey everyone, Nicole here with Cellbotics. So I'm going to make a series of videos talking about how much you can make per repair. Now please keep in mind that the date I am making this video is September 30th, 2020, okay? So prices can change. So if you're watching this 5 years from now, it's going to be different, okay? But I wanted to give everybody an idea of how much you can make per repair. So what I did is I did some research. I called some franchises, I called some local independent shops in different cities and small towns, and I kind of came up with an average of a repair and also some mobile techs, okay? And so I come up with an average of a repair price, okay, based on some are going to be higher and some are going to be lower, okay? Also, you have to remember that price is really dependent on your location, your competitors, you know, all that kind of stuff too, okay? So this is about the iPhone 8 Plus. So how much can you make repairing the screen, which is a whole assembly piece, okay, which you can change after taking our course. How much can you earn for fixing that phone, okay? So it's a pretty popular phone right now for repair for me anyways. I mean, I know some people are getting newer ones right now, but I still get that one a lot. So the going rate seems to be $109 for the repair. So if we say the repair is $109, I've got a little sheet of a bunch of prices on here. All right. The going average part price. Now, some parts can be cheaper from our vendors and some can be more expensive. Depends on the build of the part. But the median price is $18 for that part, okay? So since I don't have a calculator in my brain, I'm going to minus 109 from 18. That's $91 in labor. Now, of course, if you have a store and you're a real business, you're going to have sales tax. So it'd be 109 plus sales tax. It's not in the 109. Okay, that's additional. So $91. Now, how long does it take to do that repair? Once you start out, a repair may take you hours, right? Because you're just starting out and you're still very timid. Once you've been in the industry for a while and you've done a few repairs, these repairs can take just a few minutes. So the physical repair side of it, you maybe look 15, 20 minutes to change a screen on an 8 Plus. The intake process can take about 10 minutes depending on how much steps you have worked into there and again, how many times you've done it, okay? So let's say that you got 15 8 Plus repairs in 1 month, right? So 91 times 15, that's $13.65 in labor for you to keep and take your expenses out of. Now, we've already accounted for the part, so that's not 91 and then the part come out, right? So you could see how lucrative this could be. I say 15 a month, but that's nothing. That's for someone who's not really putting the time in. That's people that do this on the side after work and things like that aren't. If you're not putting the time in, you're not going to get the turnaround, right? I mean, I never want to make this seem easy, even though people on YouTube tend to call me that I'm hyping up the industry. I don't even know, you know, there's no Ferrari. I'm not holding bundles of cash. I'm not hyping anybody. This is real numbers, okay? So let's say, like, we have shop owners. Right now, I have multiple students doing hundreds and hundreds of phones a month, okay? I have mobile students that are doing 100 phones a month from their home, okay? So it's just how much time can you put into it. So let's say you want to do, maybe your goal is 100 phones in a month, right? Divide that by 5 weeks. That's 20 repairs a week. Divide that by 7 days. That's only, 2.85, so 3 repairs in a week. With 100 device repairs in a month at an average of $90 of labor profit, that's $9,000. So you can see there, just if we were to get the iPhone 8 Plus. Now, you're going to get older ones, yeah, and they're going to be less profit. You're going to get newer ones, they're going to be more profit, yes. But I'm just trying to give you a breakdown. So for the iPhone 8 Plus, you can earn up to $91, maybe more, maybe less, depending on your area. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.